these squishies are from. This is from Target. So these next few are from Five Below. These 4 gummy bears are from Five Below. Pink Neatos from Target. These next ones are from CVS. Brown bear. Yellow duck. My favorite, pink cat. Orange and blue capybaras. This cheese is from Walgreens. This butter is from FYE. This yellow cow is from FYE. This purple ball is from FYE. These are my Neatos, and they're all from different places. This is from FYE. This is from Staples. This, I don't know where it's from, but I know it's on Amazon. These 2 are from FYE, and this is from Aldi. If you guys have any more questions or want to know where anything else is from, I'll make a video on it. Bye! Thank you for watching.
Squish my Neatos with me. Super Cool Cat. Super Fuzzball. Nice Cube. Atomic. Shaggy. Niceberg Swirl. Jelly Squish. Donut Holes. Donut. Jelly Donut. Glittery Donut. Giant Sugar Ball. Gummy Bear. Marblies. Mini Glitter. Sanrio Squishies. Orbeez Squishy. Crunchy Penguin. Snowball. Gumdrop. Nice Cream. Capybara. Chubby Axolotl. Groovy Glob. Swirly Egg.
Hi! Wir waren gerade einkaufen und eigentlich gibt es ja im Action immer so diese Dumplings, aber die gab es da nicht. Deswegen waren wir im Globus und da habe ich mir so einen geholt. Und dann habe ich mir noch einen Squishy geholt. Und wir packen das jetzt zusammen aus. Das ist so ein Einhorn. Und das ist geil. Ja, keine Ahnung, ich bin erwachsen. So, jetzt packen wir diesen Dumpling aus. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Leute, es ist ein glitzernder. Oh mein Gott. Oh mein Gott. Boah, geil. Oh. Guckt ihn euch an. Er glitzert so schön. Und er matcht sogar mit dem Einhorn, Leute. Wow. Ja, das war's auch schon. Dafür habe ich jetzt 8 Euro ausgegeben. Aber das war's mir wert. Ciao.
Buying cheeses like these whenever the real ones are on TikTok Shop now. Like, look at the difference. I got scammed and got one of these when really I was trying to order this. Ready? It's so good and it holds its shape. There's like no air in this one at all. It's so good. So nice and squishy, and it's super high quality. And of course you can form it back into the cheese shape too. I'm gonna link this one on this video, and this one is a lot cheaper than some of the other places I have seen these. I put it in the orange cart for y'all.
Squishy haul. So today I was able to find good things, and I was so surprised I was able to find them. So let me show you guys. This is what I got, and also I did get 4 sugar swap babies like of these, but I did give 2 to my sister, so yeah. We got this mesh ball too, and I'm very excited to open all of these. Let's start off with the mesh ball. So I'm actually happy I got one of these. I already did have one, but it was popped. Oh, that's good. Next are the babies. I'm not gonna open both of them, but I'm just gonna open one. I'm just gonna open this one. So I'm like so excited to open these because I do have the big babies, but I don't have the mini ones, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can make this the purple one. Oh, they're so cute and they're really soft. I love it. Aww, little baby boos. These are a really good travel size too. So here's everything I got. Bye.
Giant Shein squishy haul. I ordered 67, no pun intended, 67 pounds worth of squishies from Shein for you guys. I'm gonna do part 1 on this account, and I'm gonna do part 2 on my main account, so there's so many things in here. Okay, I'm gonna give you like a sneak peek. We're just gonna go one by one. I ordered a butter and I did check before ordering it that it was a small foam play one, because that's the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, it has that like squishy smell. I don't know why these have only just come back in like in trend. Like Squishies were the best thing ever. I don't know why we discontinued these. Butter is a 10 out of 10. I got foam beads for my slime. Let's open this. Okay, this is supposed to be like one of the best Squishies. I can confirm it is. It's like it's like there's no air in it, but it's like really saggy and like loose, but it's so squishy. I got slimes as well, guys. I ordered different slimes for my main account. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Oh, that's so cool. It's a watermelon, so like when you squish it, it's red. Oh, I love that. It feels like it's got like really light clay in it. Like it feels like, look, the stuff looks weird, but again, 10 out of 10. Kind of smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I think this one was only like £1. Guys, I think I accidentally got 2 of the big pink one. Okay, I'm going to open one more on this account and then you'll have to go to my other account. Oh, guys, I got a fake drop squishy. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's a lot softer than the Nino, but it's... Oh, and the base is attached, unlike the Nido, but she's very squishy and very lovely. Okay, that's all I'm opening for now. I'm going to open some more on my other account. I might do a part 2 on this account, I don't know. Come back for more squishy unboxing.
Successful fidget haul. So I found this thing. I'm not sure if it's a Taba squishy or like a random squishy, but I've never seen this before, so this will be really good. Then I got this little Taba squishy. It's like a little paw. It's really cute. These are the coolest thing I found. They're like little glittery blocks, but I'm not sure if they like connected or they're apart, so let's see. First, let's open the little paw. This is literally like jelly. It's so cute. Now let's open the jelly blocks. I think they're called that. This feels so cool and they're not connected, so you can like pull them apart. That's so cool. Look how big the bag is. I'm so excited to feel this one. Just Smushers. I do not think it's a Taba squishy, but we're about to find out. Guys, this feels so good. It's like one of my favorite squishies now. And the face like comes off. That's so cool. Let's go ahead and try to put the face back together. You know the mouth? I think that goes like right here. Then the eyes, like that. Then I don't know. Oh, is that another eye? This is weird. Then the eyebrows. And the other eyebrow. And are these like ears? You guys, I think this is how it's supposed to look, but I don't know what happens to the mouth. Let's rearrange it to make it really funny. Okay. I think I did it, guys. Okay, you guys, so that's my fidget haul. I loved all of them, and especially these like jelly blocks are so cool. Bye!
Shine Squishy haul.
Feels like a real needle.